So today we're going to be talking about the respiratory system. So as you can see here, I have drawn out a diagram of the respiratory system in a human being. So we start off, the air path is this. It enters through either your nasal cavity or your mouth, coming down here into the pharynx, which is the beginning of the trachea. Now the pharynx, it passes through the larynx, which is also known as your voice box. Then it goes down to the trachea. Now once it hits here, it goes through several different portions. It starts off at the trachea, goes into the primary bronchi, which is the large branching portion of it. Now this is called the hilum of the bronchi. And that's just where the bronchi split off into the two lungs. Now it goes from the primary bronchi to the secondary, which is where it splits off the first time, then to a tetrary bronchi, or tetrary bronchi, and then it goes down into the bronchioles, and the bronchioles house the alveoli. Now, the air goes all the way down in these alveoli, where red blood cells that are in the deoxygenated blood, which the arteries run from the heart into here with the right and left pulmonary arteries, running away from the heart into the lungs, breaks all the way down into capillaries, goes into these alveoli, my bad, I can't speak tonight, and then they go through, and with the protein found in red blood cells called hemoglobin, the oxygen is pulled out of the air that we are breathing and put back onto the protein hemoglobin in the red blood cells, and then it is dumped back into the heart through the pulmonary veins. The different lobes of the lungs are the middle lobe. Now the right lung has three lobes. It has the superior lobe, the middle lobe, and the inferior lobe. And the left lung only has two, and that is the superior lobe and the inferior lobe. And it has a special moved out portion right here to make space for the heart, because the heart sits right in between the lungs.